Right. Well, thank you. Thank you all. So we've just finished our using AI in your lab webinar, which you can all watch on demand. I'll put the link in the bottom of the in the comments box below, so you can all access that. We had great conversation. We had too many questions that we didn't get to, so as we said, we'll create some Q&A documentation that we'll email out. So let's go around. So Cindy, what were your sort of 2-3 key takeaways from what we heard today?
Mine was, and the previous, we talked about that I was a little intimidated by technology. And so I asked Sean about it, and he helped not only me, but I think based on some of the questions. So it's not that intimidating. How it can be useful to researchers and people in the lab with their refrigerators and monitoring with their traceable cloud, how to use AI in a very positive way. So,
Yeah, there's a real strong message there about that. Thank you, Cindy. David, do you want to reflect on what we discussed?
Yeah, I think in the last time when we met, I talked to, I'm a product guy at heart. And, with the cold storage being one of my primary categories, I was great to learn how in real world cases right now, how machine learning and AI is helping these machines be more efficient. And with the traceable, with the data logging, it's also helping everyone in the lab be more efficient. And I learned how that is currently being done, as well as potential for the future.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of potential for the future, and yeah, Jean, you explained that really, really well. Jean, do you want to give us your takeaways?
I think that the takeaway is that AI will be part of every single lab in the future. Today, it's mainly around predictive modeling and simulation and predictive maintenance or forecasting potential failure. But in the coming months, year, you're going to have all extend to that, like accelerated data analysis, experiment design, literature review, publication, I guess. And the best of the best is offering personal assistance. Sorry again. Personal assistance, like a personalized AI assistant for research that can model experiments and design some recommendation, good laboratory practice or good protocols and things like that. So the beauty of this is we're going to go fast. It's a fast forward, not walk, but run in the research. And at the end of the day, as human, we're just going to be able to live longer in better condition because research helps that. It's the main goal.
Yeah, that's brilliant. Thank you, Jean. I mean, I echo the fact that we're going to move away from sort of looking at failure to actually improving everything and doing things much quicker.
Yeah.
Which I took that message away. So if you also want to sort of really find out what was happening in the webinar, and please do register for the on-demand. It's quick and easy to get access. You can watch it anytime you like. And the other benefit is if you ask a question, even on the on-demand version in the future now, you will actually get your question routed to Cindy, and Cindy will share that question with us. And then when we respond, you'll get the response direct to your inbox. So please, if you're watching this on demand, go to the webinar, get yourself in there, ask as many questions as you want, and we'll fire responses back to you as fast as we can. So Jean, Cindy, David, thank you so much for the great webinar we've just had. Please do watch the on demand. And if you feel like asking questions, please do. We'll get back to you. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time for our next webinar.
Thank you, Joe.
Bye, everybody. Thank you.